Hey everybody, it's Brick Squid again. Gonna do a review on Krennic's Imperial Shuttle, set number 75156, 863 pieces. Okay, first let's get into the minifigures. You get two Death Troopers, and they are the same. See the print on those, gets a little shoulder piece. I love the helmets on these guys. I think they did a good job with that. There you have it. Get two of those. And you get Director Krennic. Director Krennic there. Little cape there, white. Thought they did a good job. Nice little print. Gray gun. Not too bad. Not too bad. And there you have Director Krennic. Next you have Bodhi Rook. There you go. Nice little print. I like this little backpack that he has. Thought they did a good job with that. There you have it. Nice little backpack. Does have little glasses on, little goggles, print, and then there's another print on the other side too. So you have two prints with the face. Next you have Pal. I believe I'm saying that right, Pal. There you have it. Little antenna backpack on him. Great print. Here's the back. There you go, there's the back piece. That's a sticker on the back of there. On that one. And there you have it, that's POW. And, of course, K2SO. There we go. And the shoulder pieces. There you go. Those are the 6 minifigs you get with it. And those are these 6 minifigs you get with them, with the Krennic Shuttle. Right there. 2 Death Troopers, Director Krennic, POW, Rook, and K2SO. Okay, next we'll get into the shuttle itself. And of course this time, which I'm glad they did, they had the wings fold. And check out that wingspan. It is huge. It's really long. Alright, and they do go up and down. And if you were to pick it up, it would definitely go down this way. Right there like that. It's in flight mode. And then you can lift them up. Okay. And I'm going to flip it back this way and show you the skids. They do have 2 and they both move at the same time. So landing mode and flight mode, just like that. Okay. And then you got a little cockpit for Director Krennic. You can go right in there. Right in there. It's a little cockpit. Did a good job on it. I thought they did. Had some great detail in there as far as the seat. And that goes up and down. And then this is where you can put your Death Troopers. Right in there. You got 2 seats and a little ramp that goes down. Right like that. One goes right here, one goes there, and you got a little ramp they can walk down. Right there. So that's the front. And one thing I thought was a good idea they did, these side panels open up too, and they can go flat. They can lay flat, just like that. And then you can put probably one minifig in there, one in there. And they do fold down. I thought they did a really awesome job with this one. For playable features anyway. Then of course you got your little air flick missiles right in there. Just flick it. Oh, like that. There you go. Got one on each side. One over here. Then here's the back view. There you go. So the little engines right here. This is a piece that folds down too. And this right here is a sticker. That's not a printed on piece. That's a sticker. And you have several stickers on the inside as well. These two are stickers for the Death Troopers. But this is a printed on piece. This is the only printed on piece you get as far as cockpit computer stuff. But there you have it. Krennic's Imperial Shuttle. Oh, and then you get a couple little guns here in the front. They don't move around. But there you have it, Krennic's Imperial Shuttle. Let me get this things put out here. There you go. I'll lay these flat just to show you how wide that thing is. I'm guessing that's about 2 feet, I guess. And there you have it. Here I have the box right here. There's all your minifigs. Krennic's Imperial Shuttle. 863 pieces, set number 75156. And there you go. That's Admiral. Keep saying Admiral. Director Krennic's Imperial Shuttle. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I recommend going and getting this set. They're still out there, so you can get them. Alright, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.